My name is Sean Paff. I'm the Field Service Director with HOH Water Technology. We are a third-generation family-owned water treatment company, and we help facilities manage their water. We were leaving a lot of opportunities on the table. We were putting HOH at a vulnerable position with some of our top clients where we weren't viewed as trusted advisors. It's really kind of led to some lost accounts and some erosion in our market share. When we first approached SalesStar, some of the objectives we wanted for the field service team was to really help develop their skills and confidence with account management, really help them make a stronger connection between how great account management is also tied into great service for our clients. The field service team was a little apprehensive at first when we discussed this training. Them being a little more on the technical side, they felt that this might be too salesy for them. But after them going through the workshop and the additional coaching, I think it really helped them connect the dots of that, while there is some sales involved in account management, but having a methodology and new tools to really help them enhance those account management skills. And I think what connected it all for them was the trusted advisor role. I think that's what really took some of the team to the next level. We've actually closed $300,000 in new opportunities. I've seen an increase in the last 6 weeks in our account managers having business reviews with top clients, and even started implementing multi-locking within some of our top clients. That's been super helpful in keeping those accounts and helping them view HOH as trusted advisors. I think after going through the training and the coaching, you realize that this was just a way to give them new tools, a new skill set to develop more account management and relationship building. So advice I'd have for anyone who's considering working with SalesStar is invest in your people. SalesStar training, and especially their coaches, are there to help your team grow. And I think as you invest in your people and they grow, that also helps the company grow. Thinking about doing it, or you're noticing that this is a skill set for your team that is lacking, SalesStar is there to help coach along the way. They don't just come in and do a workshop and leave. They're there to really go side by side and partner with you to help see that through all the way.